Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're thinking about selling your home, you might be dreaming of a massive kitchen reno, but trust me, you don't need a huge budget to significantly increase your selling price. Today, I'm giving you my top 5 realtor picks, which are low cost, high impact upgrades that consistently deliver the biggest return on investment. These are the details buyers notice and appreciate immediately, both online and during a showing. My number 1 low-cost upgrade is switching out the builder grade lighting. Those standard, boring light fixtures date a home instantly, and for a few $100s, you can swap them out for a modern pendant, updated flush mounts, and a chic chandelier in the dining room. Lighting is like jewelry for the home. It instantly elevates the perceived value and looks incredible in listing photos. Number 2 is updating cabinet hardware. This is the cheapest facelift you can give your kitchen and your bathrooms. If you have dated brass or dull silver knobs, switch them out for a modern matte black, brushed gold, or sleek stainless steel. This small detail updates the entire look of the cabinetry, making the kitchen feel fresh and current without the cost of a full renovation. My third favorite upgrade is a fresh coat of neutral paint, but specifically focusing on removing any bold or primary colors. Sellers often underestimate how distracting a bright red accent wall or a deep blue bedroom can be. Buyers need to see a blank canvas. And so by painting your home a light neutral color, think like a warm white or a soft gray or maybe a light beige, you make the space look bigger, brighter, and immediately move-in ready. Number 4, we move outside for curb appeal through the front door. Your front door is the first thing a buyer touches, and its condition does matter. So give it a high impact makeover by painting it a striking modern color like a deep charcoal, a classic black, or a bold navy. Add new modern house numbers and maybe an updated outdoor sconce, like a light fixture. This small effort drastically improves your home's first impression and makes it stand out in neighborhood photos. And finally, my 5th low-cost upgrade is to update your bathroom mirrors and vanities. Instead of keeping that large builder-grade flat sheet of glass, replace it with framed mirrors or maybe 2 separate chic mirrors above a double vanity. If your vanity is outdated but structurally sound, maybe just consider painting the cabinets and replacing the countertop with a low-cost quartz remnant. These small changes transform a dated bathroom into a spa-like retreat, which is exactly what buyers are looking for. Remember, selling your home for top dollar isn't about spending the most money, it's about spending your money wisely. By focusing on these 5 high-impact, low-cost upgrades, you can dramatically improve buyer perception, shorten your time on the market, and ensure a maximum return on investment. If you found these tips helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.